Rolling Hills is a terrific place. It's a bustling community of 1,200 people, including students and staff. We offer an array of academic courses and programs that are aimed at supporting the whole child. Our teachers and counselors attend a wealth of professional development to hone and acquire new skills that engage and prepare students to be learners and contributors.
We believe that the environment here at Rolling Hills is conducive to learning, but it's also a safe environment for them, which is very important today.
I love Rolling Hills Middle School because of the students. They are all just so engaged and very easily excitable about the subject area, even English. And so it makes it really fun to get into the classroom and get discussions going.
I recently moved here in April of last year, and in the 7th grade I came in the last part, and it was just really warm and friendly.
I speak French and English. When there's French people that come in for France, we show that person around the school and to their classes and their teachers and help them speak to their teachers.
My son is involved in the band, and I believe that music helps a child. You need to have them well-rounded. They play sports, have drama, they have math, English, but also music. It just keeps him level.
I'm thrilled to say we have a very strong elective program that allows students to explore and follow their passions, including 2 levels of Spanish, 3 levels of band, as well as choir, fine arts, engineering, and broadcasting.
We have 3 leadership classes. They visit college campuses, they do extra things at our school, say at lunchtime. They have music in the quad or fun games for student involvement.
They offer a lot of high-level avenues for kids. I'm in Spanish 1 right now, and I was in band for 5th, 6th, and 7th grade. I'm on the track team, and I like it because I like running.
Not only do we have amazing teachers, but our support staff is just as dedicated to our students and to the rest of the staff and supporting everybody. We have educational associates, our library workers, our custodians, our librarian. Everybody is focused on the same goal, which is our students.
Here at Rolling Hills, we have a number of special education services. So I work with those special education services, and I work with a therapist on site in making sure that the social emotional needs of the students here on campus are met. Having a diverse population in the classroom helps everyone learn to, 1, work with each other, and 2, that there are differences out there. And through those differences, we can actually become better individuals. We can learn to be better people, and then hopefully that integrates into our workforce as we move forward.
Our commitment to our students is to meet the academic and social needs of every one of them. We want students to take ownership of their learning and be of a growth mindset, not just focused upon earning A's, but having a love of learning.